Blockchain is a technology that allows different parties to transact with one another on the basis of an immutable shared ledger of past transactions. These parties use this shared ledger as the single source of truth for their interactions. Certain rules that bind one party to the other can be encoded in smart contracts. The smart contracts enforcement on BTP are called chain code. Once a particular chain code is deployed on the network, it automatically enforces the rules that bind one actor to another. Chain codes are shared to all parties who need to verify a particular event or transaction, and the outcomes they determine are executed automatically as a condition of maintaining the network. By using the same record of transactions, which we call the ledger, and the same business rules, which we call chain code, all parties in a business network can monitor and fulfill the roles and responsibilities defined by a particular business relationship. Actions are forbidden to actors who have no stake in the relationship, so they cannot act deliberately or mistakenly to affect the result of a particular transaction. The actions submitted by some actors are verified by others to maintain transparency and allow them to maintain data integrity. BTP is based on Hyperledger Fabric, an open-source blockchain implementation, and the IBM blockchain platform. IBM is one of the main contributing organizations to Hyperledger Fabric. This blockchain implementation is designed to provide solutions for business networks. Hyperledger Fabric offers individuals and organizations control over access to data and resources. It keeps parties accountable to one another for their contributions to the network. Hyperledger Fabric allows the owners of network resources to manage permissions to and for these resources and control lists of the parties authorized to use these resources in any way. Users can also use Hyperledger features to keep sensitive data private in transactions. Every part of the network is configurable, including members, roles, chain code, permissions, memberships, and data storage to fit the needs of the participants in the blockchain network. BTP aims to use global standards for data such as the World Customs Organization's data model, which is also used to form the EU's customs data model, designed to meet EU requirements. Our platform logs events and data elements for every document submitted. The flow of goods and documentation is fully transparent to permissioned parties on the platform. Our aim is to digitize all trade documentation and eliminate physical documents and signatures from supply chains altogether. BTP is available through an app that is developed using a global standard for software development. It is a cutting-edge product supported by an international team of developers focused on continuous delivery. We abide by a strict standard of code coverage, runtime, bugs, vulnerabilities, and staged deployment. Our aim is to deliver a product that suits the needs of our users at every level.